Welcome to another thrilling round of home decor magic, DIY experts. We have a terrific project today that will immediately improve your living area. Prepare to delve into the realm of wallpaper installation as you discover how to change any space with only 6 easy steps. Unleash your creativity, mastering wallpaper application in 6 simple steps. Let's get going! Step 1. Prepare your canvas. Make sure your walls are spotless, smooth, and clear of any dust or debris before you start this artistic trip. For a perfect finish, fix any holes or cracks with patching material and lightly sand the rough spots. Keep in mind that a smooth surface creates the ideal backdrop for beautiful wallpaper installation. Step 2. Measure and cut. The height of your wall should be measured, plus a few extra inches for trimming. Cut the wallpaper to the required length after unrolling it, leaving a small amount extra at the top and bottom. To prevent confusion during installation, use labels on each cut piece. Step 3. Apply the adhesive. Depending on the kind of wallpaper you're using, this step can be different. Simply soaking the pre-pasted wallpaper's adhesive in water will activate it. Apply a thin, even layer of wallpaper paste with a roller or brush when working with unpasted wallpaper. For the greatest results, keep in mind to adhere to the manufacturer's recommendations. Step 4. Stick it up. Starting at the top, lay the wallpaper in position by lining it up with the wall's edge and applying gentle pressure. Using a clean, wet sponge or a wallpaper brush, remove any air bubbles or wrinkles. Repeat the technique with each piece as you work your way down the wall until it is entirely coated. Step 5. Trim and tidy up. Once your wallpaper is installed, use a sharp utility knife or pair of scissors to trim off any extra at the top and bottom. Gently remove any residual paste with a wet cloth. Step 6. Add a personal touch. Now that you have beautiful wallpaper on your walls, it's time to let your creativity shine. People, that's it for now. You can master wallpaper applications by following these 6 easy techniques, and you can transform any space into a work of art.